Borodar Pawb, everybody. Shumai. Hello, everyone. As we come to the end of the year, I want to take a moment to reflect on some truly positive achievements across Cardiff and Vale University Health Board over the last 12 months. Achievements that are only possible because of your hard work and dedication. This year, our teams have been recognised nationally for excellence in patient care, digital innovation, workforce sustainability, and our vaccination programmes. Our wards have continued to raise standards through the Ward Accreditation Programme, and our clinical teams have delivered real improvements in many areas of care, helping patients receive fast, safe, and compassionate treatment. We've been implementing electronic prescribing alongside better use of data to support decision-making at the bedside. We all recognise that our estate is not always what we would hope for. We all indeed need to create a safe and comfortable environment in which to care for patients and where colleagues can operate in comfort and to their best ability. We continue to work strategically to access the critical funds and support to improve our facilities for the future, whilst at the same time our colleagues in the estates team work incredibly hard to sustain and improve our environments. I also want to acknowledge that this year has been a challenging year for many colleagues and for the organisation. Your resilience and professionalism has been remarkable and an inspiration to me. We welcome your feedback via many routes, and it is positive to see our best ever engagement with the annual NHS staff survey. We commit to make best use of your feedback, whether that is good or bad, in a meaningful way that is clearly linked to improvements for you and the services we deliver. As we approach the festive season, I want to offer my heartfelt thanks for all that each of you do wherever you work in the health board every single day. Whether you celebrate at this time of year or not, I hope you find time to rest, recharge, and enjoy special moments with your friends, loved ones, and family. Wishing you all a peaceful and joyful Christmas and a healthy and happy New Year. Nadoligaidd.